The Imagine Arts and Older People programme is a 3-year project, a partnership led by City Arts, Nottingham City Council and the Abbeyfield Society. Taking place in a small number of care homes across Nottingham, one strand of the programme has been exploring the use of digital technologies to use them creatively or in an artistic setting.
We will cut it later on.
Roma Patel is a PhD student at Nottingham University's Mixed Reality Lab. Over several weeks, Roma ran a series of workshops with visitors here at the Nottingham Hospice.
As part of my PhD, I have to do an internship, and I have done the internship now with City Arts. Just pull that bit of it, a little bit. Yeah, you see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And City Arts was interested in how we can use digital technologies with crafting. So we kind of crafting digital and wearable technologies within felted objects. That's a little bit more. So the aim of the project is to sort of leave something here at the hospice so that they have something more permanent, so that patients can interact and play after we've left.
And then, because that particular one's got more on it.
A couple of weeks ago we were here and we attached this board to some fruits. And when you touch the fruits made sounds. The patients here really liked that, and the staff also loved it. So we decided to come back for sort of another workshop where we'll be using felt to make something sort of sound sensory, basket, box. So once you press something, you get a sound coming from that. What color is it?
Red.
I saw you like red.
Looks red. It look very nice.
And we have ones that we can use this copy.
On another occasion, Roma worked with several of the volunteers at the hospice to help its regular visitors create their own personal memory box. The inspiration for the boxes was the American artist and sculptor Joseph Cornell.
Cornell worked in the 1930s making boxes with found objects. So he made boxes with birds, branches from ballerinas and so on. He would find objects, find paintings and create these wonderful boxes.
Each box is uniquely personal, reflecting perhaps a past career or a current interest.
You like it like that?
Like that. 5, I think. So each is really quite personal, and we've been working over the last 3 weeks on these.
Yeah, that's it.
Someone is doing a box on trams, another one is looking at other aspects of craft in a box that they're interested in.
One thing Cornell didn't have when he was making his assemblage art back in the 1930s and 40s was the use of modern micro-digital technology and its creative potential.
And we were interested in adding some technology in these boxes. So we've got different technologies like sticky-on lights and other technologies that are connected to wearable technologies. So if something needed to be washed or so on, it can be done. So Muriel's box here, we're looking at lights coming all around here. So we're looking using conductive thread because it just blends in. In other boxes, we've looked at other technologies like tilt sensors to make it easier for someone. I just put a tilt sensor on that. So you see how the light is coming on there?
Oh yes, yeah.
Well, and so the sensor is here. So these magnets here, and that's the power source, that connects to that, and then that connects to there. And with the pressure sensor, you can then attach, you can just press that and then that lights up. So we are looking at a way patients can then be involved in understanding different technologies that are around today really. And you press that together.
Hair curls.
Yes, we get a light.
There can be little doubt that activities like these play a vital role in the social care of older people. For those who feel isolated and disconnected from others, coming together like this is something everyone really looks forward to. A time when people of different generations can make new friends, discover new talents, and share their own life experiences.
They're my two grandchildren. She's 14 next week.
So we're going to string
Angela and Stuart.
these lights.
My husband was a bus driver.
Bring one down.
I was the conductor. My favourite is swimming, so I've got to add to that. And that's Vincent Price in House of Wax, the first 3D film I saw. It was so funny because we wore the dark glasses, but when the fire came, we all sort of did this. When they're screaming, we looked at the back of us and stood up. We did silly things because we wasn't used to it. It was Vincent Price, and he was killing the people and making statues of them. But it was a fantastic film.
Later in the year, some of the memory boxes were put on display at Sycamore House as part of the celebrations to mark National Care Home Day. Story boxes, full of old memories and new digital technology, coming together to celebrate the lives of some of Nottingham's older residents.
It's all in memory of my hubby and my son who died. But mainly, it's, as I say, it's for them too, and for my memories, and to people to enjoy and look at, and know what we do here, which I think is a wonderful thing. I can't see, but as soon as I first tried, I was hooked, because I loved it so much. I like making all different things.